students, welcome back in computer class of 8th standard, and we are doing chapter number 4, algorithms and flowcharts. Students, in our previous class we have done an algorithm and a flowchart to find the factorial of a number. So today we will discuss how to draw the flow chart for accept the age of a person, display the message eligible for roll if the age is equal to or greater than 18, otherwise display the message not eligible. And second flow chart is accept one character, display the message vowel if the entered character is a vowel, otherwise display the message not a vowel. So start with the first flowchart. Flowchart is make a flowchart to accept the age of a person, display the message eligible for roll if the age is equal to or greater than 18, otherwise display the message not eligible. So start this flow chart with start stop symbol. This is a start stop symbol, and write down start in it because we are going to start the flow chart. Then draw the flow line to connect with the next box. Then draw input output box. Here we have an input age, so we will write read age. Then draw the flow line to connect with the next box and draw decision box. This is a decision box, and write down our condition. Condition is if age greater than equal to 18, and then draw the flow lines on both sides with the condition box. One side write down yes and one side write down no. It means yes is for true condition and no is for false condition. And then draw input output box on both sides. True side we will write display eligible for roll in input output box, and false side in input output box we will write display not eligible. Then draw the flow lines on both sides, and last is draw start stop symbol and write down stop in it because it is the ending of the flow chart. Here let's take an example. If I entered the age is 19, now check the condition. 19 is greater than equal to 18. Yes, it means our condition is true. Then it will display eligible for roll. Suppose here I have entered 9, means age 9. 9 is greater than equal to 18. No, it is false, means condition is false. Then it will execute this part and display not eligible. So this is a flow chart to display the message eligible for roll if the age is equal to or greater than 18, and otherwise it display not eligible. Now move to the second flow chart. Second flow chart is accept one character, display the message vowel if the entered character is a vowel, otherwise display the message not a vowel. Here we have to enter a vowel, and then we have to check it is a vowel, then it will display vowel, and if it is not a vowel then it will display not a vowel. As you know, we are having 5 vowels in our English language: A, E, I, O, U. Start the flow chart with start stop symbol and write down start in it. Here, start, because we are going to start the flow chart. Then draw the flow line to connect with the next box, and draw input output box and write down read character X. Here, char represents character, which means we can enter only single alphabet, and X is used to store that alphabet. Then draw the flow line to connect with the next box. Here, draw the decision box and then write the condition in it. Condition is if X equal to A or E or I or O or U. Here, these two vertical lines represent OR operator. If the entered character is any one of the characters, that is A or E or I or O or U, then it will display a result vowel. If X value is not a vowel, means condition is false, means no, then it will display not a vowel. Then draw the flow lines again, and at the last write down stop in start stop box. Let's take an example. Suppose the value of X is S. Now S is not a vowel, means not a E, I, O, U, means our condition is false, means no. Then it will display not a vowel. Suppose the value of X is I, means condition is true, means yes, then it will display vowel. So students, this is a flow chart to display the message vowel if the entered character is a vowel. Otherwise, display message not a vowel. So, this is all about of today's class. Here you have done 2 flow charts. So students, do practice at home on your rough copies. Thank you.